Hello everyone, welcome back to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. I'm going to show you how to adjust the dimensions and sizes of your artboards. Let's create a new one and I'll walk you through it. Okay, File, New, and I'm going to select 1500 by 1500, a custom width. Whatever, it doesn't matter. We're going to show you the technique next. All right, click on Create. When I do that, we've got ourselves a nice little square. The next step is you want to select this tool right here. It's the Artboard tool. If we double click on this tool, like I'm going to do, let's go ahead and try again, Curtis. Double click on it. There we go. You'll see here that I can rename it. I can select from a variety of presets if you have a preset in mind, like for example, an iPad or an A4 or a letter, whatever, you can do that. You can also go in here and change the width or the height. So if I made it 3000 by 1000, really make it different just so you can see the effect. Bang, that's all you need to do. Click on OK and watch. Now we've got a completely different sized artboard. That said, there's a little bit more you can do if you need to. You can still making sure you've got the artboard selected, the artboard tool, pardon me. You can hover over here and you can see here that I can go ahead and make manual adjustments to it. So if I wanted to say make it instead of, 3000, I'd make it 3000 by 1499 or whatever. You can go ahead and do that as well. So those are the main options. That's how you adjust sizes. Thanks for watching.